please have enough space. It does. Okay. All right. Who here has computer science? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Base 12.
Who here can count to 10?
Me.
Alright. You guys can count to 10. I'm sorry, Kaden. You're going to have to sit here and be confused. So, does anybody know what we call a 10-digit system?
Decimal.
Wait,
Base
hang on.
10.
Base 10 or decimal?
That's what I was gonna say.
Base 10 or decimal. Doesn't matter which one. By the way, dec means 10. Okay? 10 dec up.
Decillion.
Decimate means to destroy something until a tenth of it is left.
Wait, actually?
Yeah.
That's so specific.
To decimate is to destroy something until a tenth of it is left. Alright. So we use base 10. So basically what base 10 means is that there's 10 individual, there's 10, unique symbols for each number place, right? Do you guys know what those unique symbols are? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, up 0.
We got 0.
10 is a single.
We got 0.
We got 0. 0 through 9.
See, I can't count.
Yeah, that's a shame. So 0 through 9, that's the 10 unique. That's the 10 unique different symbols that we can use to represent place. So if we only had one place, how many different values can we represent?
2.
Huh?
9.
No, I'm saying if we only had one place. So if we only had the ones place. Like if we only had the ones place, how many values can we represent?
9.
Is 0 a value?
10. Yes. Yes.
10. Yes.
Well, actually, it's the lack of value. So.
So we can represent 10 values in here, and then once we have to represent an 11th, we add another one and squish them together. Everybody on the same page. Everybody know how to count to 10 now. All right. I think we get the gist of it. All right. What if we were lazy and only had 2 different values? Let's do 0 and 1. And if we need to represent 3 things, we can do 1, 0. And then 1, 0, 0. That's great. So and then if we kept going, we figured out that you could do 8 with 3 places. And we can just go from there. So
This isn't a computer science lesson. It's a fingers lesson.
we're gonna get to fingers. Trust me, I'm gonna bring this all back. Okay. Does anybody know why we don't use base 30 or base 2? We use base 10.
Because it's really hard to keep track of.
It would actually be really easy.
We have 10 fingers.
We have 10 fingers. We have 10 fingers, so that's what we went with. We could have done base 5. Some cultures actually do use base 5. And what we're going to get to today is some cultures use base 12. We're going to get to why. We're going to get to why.
Because they all have 6 fingers.
Everybody look at their fingers. Your palms. Everybody look at your palms. You see how there's 3 sections in each of your fingers?
Except for my thumb.
Except for your thumb. Okay. 4 fingers, 3 sections. I sure hope nobody's here.
You're just getting stared at.
You're just bad. If you were in like that 8th band, you're just bad at that. Alright, can everybody use their thumb to touch each of these sections? You guys have that flexibility? It's really difficult.
My thumb is short.
Only like 1% of the population can do it.
I know you're I am. No, I didn't.
Alright. So you can touch each one of these sections. So how high can you count to with one hand?
Wait, hang on. Wait, this is a trick question, isn't it?
9.
1, 2,
No, it's not a trick
3,
question.
4, 5, 6,
I mean, if we're
7, 8, 9,
specific-
10, 11, 12.
You can count to 12.
If we're specifically using our hand, 12. But like, I don't know my hand to count.
I don't know how I got it right.
So we can only count to 12.
I think I thought I had.
What? No, 1, 2, 3.
He's missing a finger. It's fine.
He's missing a finger. It's okay.
Got rid of one of my fingers.
Alright, so we can count to 12. How many can you count to with 2 fingers?
22.
2 fingers.
34.
6.
24.
24. You can count to 24
I got there
with 2
eventually.
fingers. Think about it. 1,
Oh.
2, 3. What's he doing with this finger?
12
You got
times
another
2.
12, right? You can count to 140.
Yeah, not two hands. Yeah,
You can.
Yeah,
For some reason, my brain is thinking this is a multiples of like 4. Which it is, but like. it's multiples
Yeah,
of
also,
3.
you 1, 2, 3, 4. You could have 4 seconds.
You could just declare it.
What?
Square it.
Yeah. Square what?
That's what I was going to get to. We're going to get there. Okay, so let's get back to base 2. Does anybody here know what a flip do is?
Yeah.
What?
What?
I have one.
I want to know what it is.
I have
Okay, so a
like
flip do is basically. So you know how you can only have.
You don't have to describe it. I have one in front of me.
I'm going to draw it up on the board.
It's so small, don't.
Yeah, I'm going to draw it up on the board. So if you have only one place, how many different things can you show in there?
2.
2 things. So that's 2 to the power of 1, right?
0.
Right?
One place you can.
Well, you also have 2 to the power 2.
You have 2 to the power of 1. Like, I actually do need to see flip do. I haven't seen it in months.
Let's be honest, this is turning out to be more complicated than the calculus lesson.
It isn't.
What were
Though.
you gonna teach with calculus?
I don't know.
Alright.
If there's something like, what were you gonna do?
I was going to teach you guys how to do derivatives and integrals
Oh,
graphically.
yeah, no, this is more complicated than that.
It's not though. Trust me. You guys want to go to the?
No, I'm saying you're making it more complicated.
I'm making
Last
it
time
more
you just went into Baxter, the tribe in Africa does this, and then here's how you do it.
I mean, we gotta go more in detail. You know, they gotta know.
Well, you have 15 minutes, so how fun.
No.
So if you have only one, you only have one place to work with, right? You can only do 2 to the power of 1 or 2 different things. What's 2 to the power of 2? 4. So if you only have 2 places to work with, you can do a maximum of 4 different things. Like here, you could do 0, 1, 1, 0, or 1, 1, right? And then you have to go to the third. So we only have 2 hands, okay? So that's 2 hands, and we are working in base 12, right? So it's 12 to the power of 2. But before we get there, let's do it with normally, right? So how many can you count on one hand?
Usually number 5.
5. Normally 5. Yes. You're confused? You good? 5? Okay. 5, right. How many hands do we have?
2.
2. Now count to 5 on one hand. I believe
1,
you.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright. Now hold up a finger here. Count to 5 once. Now count to 5 on the other hand again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now you're up at 10. Hold up another thing. You've done it twice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You got it. Keep going. I believe in you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many times have you counted to 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
How many times have you counted to 5?
10 times.
10. What? 10 times?
Yeah, I counted 5 10 times.
Oh no, I mean use one hand to count to 5.
5 times.
5 times.
And you do the same thing with your fingers, you do it 12 times.
You can do it 12 times. So you can count to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, all the way to 25. With only your fingers.
And that's just one hand.
On one hand, keeping track with your other hand. Now if you use this system,
It's like,
1, 2, 3, you can count to 12,
It's exactly that.
then keep track that you're at 12 with the other hand.
Yeah.
So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then keep track over here on the other hand. And then 13, 14, 15. You guys get it?
So it's like, so if you do that, you can count to 60 on one hand, right?
Huh.
You can count to 60 on one hand.
You can count to 60 on little hand.
60 numbers, there's like,
12.
count to 12 5 times.
12, 5 times. Yes. But you can also use your other hand and count to 12 on your other hand.
Right.
By keeping
You
track.
can just do 12 times. Yeah. Then you get 144.
Get 144.
You can also do base 15 by cutting out the second one. You can also do base 15.
I mean, true, but at that point, it's not something everyone can do because some people don't have a bunch of rivets in their hand.
Yeah, but everyone has one section here, and you're
no, some people only have one.
There is a tribe that actually like counts up their body.
That's where you got the idea.
That's actually, I got the idea from the weird Southeast Asian tribe that does this. I think that they have like, I don't need to get into that today. That'd be too mechanical. I just realized. All right, what time is it?
The time is currently
I have
11:48.
48. 48.
Got 20 minutes. No, not 20 minutes. 12 minutes.
So, whoever can count to the biggest number with only your fingers gets a prize. Go.
oh. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35,
You have to
38, 39, 40, 40.
No, you have to increment. So,
Oh, you're just saying the count?
yeah.
Oh.
But if I say count, you can be like, I'm going to count by 2.
49, 50.
You have to always add. Incrementation is not addition. You have to add one every single time.
I'm adding one. AKA multiplication.
Yes.
Since you can store 12 12s on one hand, can't you also count 12 on the other? So it'd be
Did
156.
most of y'all have subs today? They just let you go? You actually got checked out.
It's 144.
I
So what you're saying is that, so once you're at 12 on this hand,
Okay. You had a
you
sub?
can count to 12 again here. And store
Just
it.
let you go?
Yeah, it does let you count this.
No, that's it.
Alright,
Because you've
Brendan,
already
did you
counted
get checked out?
12, 24, 28, 60, 62, 94, 96. If we were at 96, this would be 97, right?
Maurice,
So once you get to 144, 145.
When I requested, did you already show up in that I requested you fill in? Because I added you.
Now show me that other thing that represents that other thing.
18 times.
You gotta have an individual symbol for each one. You know, if I ask you to show me,
We did. I just did it 18 times.
so show me the symbol for 17,000 right now. Like for example, if you were to ask me, like, to show you,
I know how to do it.
Can you show me 38?
38. Let's see, 36, 37, 38.
Brendan, what?
Yeah, you're right.
BRENDE?
So you can represent any number from 1 or from 0 to 144 using
Maybe that's
this.
12,000.
Or 156 actually.
12,000 would be here, that means that 17,000 would be right here, which means that 17 million would also be right here.
Oh,
So 17,000, 17 million, same thing, share the same place.
wow.
How would you show people? How would you be able to show people?
By
I
counting
get it
17
now.
million.
I'm getting it.
But I have something fun.
They're gonna be there
You
for
have the different degrees of your arm's rotation.
What?
You have 180 wait, it's 90 degrees of arm rotation.
No,
Actually less than that. You have like 69.
this is 180 and then this is left. So
No, I mean like,
You have like 170 about.
oh yeah.
You have like about 170.
depends on how big your license.
Yeah. Smaller and better. Yeah, so you have 170 times.
How are you gonna keep track of each individual?
Bring out, you whip out your pocket,
So like,
yeah.
I have a protractor in my bag.
You guys are crazy. I like how like half the math club is just my friends and the other half is die hard math. Okay.
Are you die hard?
I'm die hard math.
We're like the special kids in the back.
Yeah, pretty much.
I've reached 800 too. Appreciate it. How? Show me 799.
I got 799.
Alright, good job. That's some bonus.
so wait, so it's like this would be 12.
That'd be 12.
24.
Wait, we have to count it on one hand.
Yeah, it was.
No, you can use both of your hands. You gotta have 800 right here.
So 36 would be
Is it shared?
I was just counting really fast.
It doesn't get cameras
Is this 36?
Put a toe down.
Put a toe down for every 100 reps.
36. So this is 36
Every single time,
12, 24, 36.
do
37, 38. It should be 39.
44 on one hand.
So just
You put a toe down.
This counts by 12s. This counts by
Continue.
1s. Just like if you were to.
because I remember somebody
No,
told
the
me
section.
something how they were
Yeah, but those are complicated because like this is just top to bottom
You
left
have
to
to
right.
start touching.
Yeah.
You gotta put a tongue on your teeth.
I was wondering how you were
Every single one of
going
these
to
is
see
What? Show me 576.
Like this would be 1 where you do 12 and then 13 and then off the top.
Oh, it's
the bottom.
256, right? Because
When you get into people who can't.
But
Oh,
you can
24.
do, you can do 24
Oh, okay.
So it's like
24 square. Okay. Yes. So we have 576.
He doesn't actually so But we already have.
I always get out worried about joking about paying. No, I just wanted to make sure we're just going on.
Oh yeah, where's the? I forgot the name.
1, 5.
Wait, that is I sure want to.
He's going for it.
9,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No, 8 all this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had like 7. And then we were playing.
No, maybe like
Are those Altoids?
So next time we're gonna hold the votes, or maybe I'll just have the vote right now. Do you guys want to do calculus or Jeopardy?
Calculus.
5 minutes. How are we making it?
Jeopardy. Or, no, this is for the next one.
Oh wait, Jeopardy.
Jeopardy. Math. Sure, but you're not gonna win.
Could we have one category of like pop culture math or something like that?
Probably will.
Anything that relates to.
How many midichlorians?
Or I could do like what?
the extra credit had 2 irrational solutions.
I'm gonna do something like 1 plus 1 minus 1.
I calculated graph that one for. I don't know.
The bonus?
Yeah.
On the algebra 2?
And then you have
Or you could do like
7 and.
you could do like how many times would it take like
But
if you fold it, if you could fold a piece of paper indefinitely, how many folds would it take to read
Now, you don't get the imaginary if you graphed it.
because it's just exponential growth.
Actually,
I think those are the 2 solutions.
I should still have.
How do you do it by hand?
I mean, it's not that bad. You know,
Yeah, I
it's
did
like
like
8.
And it kind of.
Make sure you tuck in your chairs back under the table.